Coach Brewer, how's it going?
Hey man, it's going well. How about you?
Good. I hope you guys are staying safe during this time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So just wanted to follow up, see how things are going with the World War One technology project. Want to elaborate a little bit?
Yeah, man, it's going great. Getting a lot of good student work from it. Again, the Web 2.0 tools are coming along. At first, it was an adjustment period, but seems like the kids probably with every class now they're getting so used to using these tools that it's becoming second nature. And I'm definitely seeing better work being turned in now.
Right. Well, that's good. So I'm glad that you mentioned that about kind of setting a norm for this digital learning environment, especially for times like this. You know, this would be a great way to flip your classroom. Should you not be there or something like this happens again, I feel like a lot of teachers are just now adjusting to this, and we're kind of making this into a norm for something else happens. We have another way to provide instruction. So that's great. Just want to reiterate our goal that we came up and identified in our last session. The 18 out of 20 students showing engagement by demonstrating mastery by simply having a 5 or less minute presentation. As of right now, I noticed that you added me to your Canvas course, and I appreciate that. However, I didn't want to involve too much of myself. I wanted to see how everything went. Wanted to see your feedback, saw your discussion posts and everything, so it's great. So out of that 18 to 20% or 20 students, you had 90% as our goal. Where do you think you feel you're at right now with your students?
I'm close. I'm in the 80 to 90 percentile. I'm real close. I think after the completion of this, I'm going to be there. If I'm not already, but right now I would definitely put it between 80 and 90 for those that submitted already, and still waiting for a few more to submit. And I think we're definitely going to be able to master that goal.
That's great. And I saw that for those students, there maybe 2 or 3 that haven't submitted anything. It's kind of hard with all these students being busy with all this work. But I did notice you reach out to them through your announcement page on your page, and also saw some discussion posts, kind of like how we do in the college environment where we post a question if we need it. So that was good that you saw some engagement there.
Right.
That shows you're making improvement. We talked about some Web 2.0 and productivity tools such as Canva and Adobe Spark. And I gave you some other suggestions like ThingLink. I kind of wanted to focus on just 2 strategies. We talked about scaffolding instruction, you modeling, the students, what's expected. The students do the same thing and they work together. So what productivity tools and Web 2.0 tools have you been using from our last?
Mainly Adobe Spark and Canva. That's really the 2 primary ones. I have found that my students are half and half on that. Honestly, some like using the Canva interface better than Adobe Spark. Me personally, I like Adobe Spark. I have some students that enjoy that. So those are the 2 tools that we've really focused and honed in on.
Right. Well, good. Well, let's stick with that. Let's stick with the collaborative instruction. Always being there an option. You know, I'm in the class as well, and you can reach me if you have any questions. Let's stick to Canva. Canva looks really well. I saw those digital posters, and then for the commercials and the jingles and everything, that was great in Adobe Spark.
Yeah,
so,
cool.
Let's keep that going, and then we'll follow up for our last session, see what we need to improve on. All right.
Awesome, man. Yeah, I appreciate you.
Hey, looking forward. Thank you.
Yeah, man.